This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable portion cups, specifically these Basic Nature PLA portion cups and lids. And they come in a few different size options. There is the 2 ounce, 3 ounce, and 4. And the lids are sold separately, but one of the best features about these portion cups is the top diameter on all those cups is the same. So these lids will fit all 3. And it's a really great feature, especially if you're running a busy kitchen and you need little portion cups for different sizes, say sauces, sides, condiments. The lids will fit all 3, making ordering easier and speedier because you don't have to keep track of which cups and which lids you have on hand because they'll fit all 3. So that's a nice little feature for these. The plastic they're made from is a cornstarch-based bioplastic, meaning that it's both commercially compostable and biodegradable, which makes cleanup really easier since they can just be tossed. So it's a great disposable option for portion cups that's more environmentally friendly than those made of traditional plastics. They're great for sauces, dressing, condiments, small portions of cold sides, think things like little bits of pasta salad or coleslaw to go in with orders. And that clear plastic really shows off your foods so that it's easy for you and your customers to identify, especially if you're going to do things like pre-portion dressings, sauces, whatever the case may be. It's going to be easy for your employees to grab the right ones to throw in with orders. So these are great little portion cups that are fantastic for cafes, delis, fast casual restaurants, or even if you're just looking to do some food portioning at home. They're a great little thing to have on hand, and they're very easy to use.